What's up, YouTube? It's your girl TT Logan, and I'm back again with yet another video. Yes, so I've been on the ball today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, like I've been filming. I'm getting the hang of this. I'm getting to, the swag of things, and y'all, I'm jumping on the bandwagon because I don't want y'all to miss out on me. Okay, I gotta keep showing my little face. But yes, so today this video is gonna be a little bit different. I have something that I was gifted, and I really am excited to use it. I've seen these before, but I never actually picked one up, so I'm very excited. Thank you so much. Okay. But yes, y'all, it is the makeup brush cleaner, as you can see in the thumbnail already. But the makeup brush cleaner, portable, electronic, automatic. That's a mouthful, and it's a whole lot. Oh, and it say 10 seconds drying time. Wow. So this is how the front part looks. So this is the little thank you card that come inside the box. It have the user manual, which I probably should be using, but more than likely I won't. I'll just look at the pictures. So we have the brush cleaning pad, which is a little bit confusing because to my understanding, you're supposed to put the brush cleaner right inside this bowl. Oh, it say use liquid soap and water. Normally when I clean my makeup brushes, y'all, I always just use like water and bar soap. I feel like bar soap does the best job of cleaning up your makeup brushes. And that's just out of all this time using my own experience. Okay, so I'm gonna say that this brand is called Larboy or Larbois. I'm gonna say Larboy. I feel like it's a fancy word and it's supposed to be pronounced with fanciness and elegance, and I'm gonna just say Larboy. Larbois. That's just how I feel about the situation, y'all. Now, what kind of batteries? I don't even have batteries, y'all. Dang. Wait. What'd it take? Oh, AAA. I might have some AAA batteries. So you have here the cleansing bowl itself. This right here is where your these little attachments go into this, and then they hook onto the brush. And then you have a little stand to kind of keep everything on. So we have two of these little square attachments here. Okay. And then on the back of here are some little squares. Okay, so it hooks in like that. And these just sit up here on the little platform. And these are so that different size brushes can fit. I'm gonna take this brush. It's pretty, not dirty, but it have quite a bit of product on it. So I think this might be the best fit. And that really is too big. Okay, so here's one. So I'm gonna put this one into here, wedge it right on in there. I'm gonna take one of the little squares and stick it in that end and the other back into here. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna use some of this Garnier Micellar water. I just grabbed this the other day from Ross actually. When I was checking out, I saw this. I ain't gonna use too much because this is not what this stuff was intended for. But so you sit this right down inside like such. Oh Lord, please don't let me make a huge mess. Okay. So I wonder, does the pink thing actually go down in there? I wonder. wonder, does the pink thing go inside the bowl? No, it doesn't. But y'all, let's see if it gets dry. And this stuff smells so good, y'all. So good. Let's see something. Oh, wow. Oh, y'all. Man, shut up. So it's not the cleanest that it could be. But y'all, the brush dry, like, for real. Shut up. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Much obliged. Girl, let me do this one. Hold up. Okay. Get it all around in there. Now let's dry it off. Shut up. Girl. Are you serious? Yeah. Oh my God, y'all. Like, I'm too excited. I am too excited with this. Okay, yeah, let's do the foundation brush. Okay. So now this one got a lot of cream product on it. Yeah. Look. Want to really get that good and saturated. I don't want to make no huge mess. Look at this. Like I say, it's not the cleanest, but it's dry. And girl, I don't have to like deep wash my brushes in between makeup looks. I could just say like wash them like once a week maybe, and just do this in between. Especially if I film like more than one makeup look in a day, I can just wash these in between right in here. Like, thank you so much. Oh my God, I love it. Okay. Okay, so I just switched to the eye brush cleaner and it looked like that. So this is just regular soap and water. I do feel like it was doing a better job when I was using the micellar water. So let me just put some of this in now. Okay, so two things. So like with cream products, I don't think it does that great of a job, but powder products, definitely. This brush here have a lot of that P. Louise base. This here had my contour, my cream contour, the Juvia's Place concealer, so that didn't come out as well. Let's do some eyeshadow brushes. We'll do these three that I used for this purple look. So the color is pretty much gone off of this brush, and I'll just show you like a side-by-side comparison. So the bottom brush have product, the top brush is clean. Okay, so this brush has some glitter. Now, I'ma just see what this do. I don't really expect this to take off this glitter and glue, but I'ma just try for the sake of the video. Purchase these with no tags. Yeah, it's just binding up the brush because of all this glue in it. So I wouldn't advise you to use these cleaners with on brushes that are caked up with glue and glitter and stuff like that. But I'm still like super satisfied with this machine. All jokes aside, I really like this. Oh, and another thing, when I wash my brushes, I will definitely be using this little scrubby pad. Okay, y'all, so those were my thoughts on this product. I really like this so much. And like I said, I'm so grateful to have this now in my collection. I can use this as I'm doing makeup looks, like when I want to use the same brush for several different eyeshadows and stuff. Just dip it down, let the thing spin a little bit, and pull it back out, and I'm good. So I really like that. Like I say, personally, I feel like, and it could be the cleansers that I'm using as well, but I feel like it's best with like powders, eyeshadows, things of that sort. It does a really good job of that. Otherwise, like with cream products, foundation, you know, concealers, things of that nature, I feel like it'll be best if you just wash those, like just wash those straight away, than trying to do it this way. I don't know if I can like melt some bar soap in some kind of fashion. I don't know if I can turn my bar soaps like to like a liquid form. I'm pretty sure that would get the job done, because when I tell y'all, that's the best thing hands down to wash your makeup brushes with, is any kind of bar soap. But that's all. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for sticking around with me. Keep your eyes peeled to see what I come up with next. And as always, tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.